This video will show the average sales of the sales agents for the year of 2024 and their best sales amount and also their worst sales amount. So here you can see that we have a table which contains the sales agents names and their yearly sales value for each sales agents. So the total is $1,038,362.46. So we have to find the average sales agents sales value of the agents. Okay, so we have to use the cell functions, the average functions. So for calculating the average function, we first press the equal sign from the keyboard and just type average. Okay, so this is the average function. So we select the average function by either clicking the tab button or uh, the double clicking the mouse here. So same thing, pressing the tab or a mouse, and the function is selected here. So we have to select the range of cells based on which the average function will be calculated. So the range is from B3 until B12. Just pressing the enter button from the keyboard. So the function has performed here. So average sales is uh, 100 3,800 sorry 100 $3,836.25 dollar. That's the sales average sales. So the next function is about finding the best sales amount and who is the best sales agent. So for that we have to use the max function. So pressing the keyboard equal sign max. So max function, selecting the range from B3 until B12, pressing the enter button. So now we find the best sales amount, which is $183,009. Who is that? Noah Taylor. He is the best seller. So he is the best sales agents for year 2024. And similarly, okay, for using the max function, we find the best sales agents. But who is the worst sales agent? For that, we have to use the mean function. So equal sign mean, double clicking or pressing the tab button from the keyboard. Main function, selecting the range from B3 until B12, pressing the enter from keyboard, and we get the worst sales amount, which is only $1,052.64, and that is made by Daniel Davis. So maybe he was sick or maybe he wasn't performing well the last year 2024. So that this is the list sales worst sales made anyone from this list, and that is Daniel Davis. Okay, so this way we can find the average sales performed by all sales agents, the best seller and the worst seller. So this way we can like okay, we for max function we have selected a range of cells, right? So uh, we can also do something else here. For example, we for instance want to know between Emily, mm, and then between Emily Sophia, sorry, instead of selecting the range we are gonna select Emily, Sophia, Olivia, and we want to find who is the best performer among these three sales agents. So pressing enter, so we see that 152 1529, so the Sophia is the best performer. Okay, so similarly, we want to check who is the worst performer. Instead of selecting the range, whole range, we just select only those related cells where we want to compare. For example, we want to know between Noah, Emma, James, and Emily, who is the worst performer. 115 for 131. So Emma is the worst performer. So you see this way, this is a small table, so it's easier to do these functions. But when the table is much bigger, this kind of functions quite frequently used, and most common functions becomes handy to find the average sales, who is the best seller or who is the worst seller. So this is a quite important functions for business operations. So that's all for this video. Thank you.